believes in quality. Even though the market has increased, and so has the call from customers, yet reputation depends on the delivery. Hence, Vivek sticks to limited work.
Quality is more important than the quantity. I am very particular about the fact that whatever the clientage I get, it should be good. 10 to 12 projects a year we do it.
बदलते वक्त के साथ साथ इंसान की सोच का बदलना भी लाजमी है। आर्किटेक्चर और डिजाइन की फील्ड में भी लोगों के विचारों में काफी चेंजेस आए हैं।
If I go 10 years back and today, the awareness about requirement and design consciousness has improved a lot. एक awareness है उनके अंदर कि उनको क्या चाहिए, एक उनके अंदर सेल्फ कॉन्शियसनेस है कि मुझे इस टाइप की क्रिएशन चाहिए, मुझे ये चीज़ अच्छी लगती है, ये चीज़ अच्छी नहीं लगती, जो पहले नहीं था इतना. It has improved tons.
A growing market ensures a bright future. So India's future seems bright. And awareness along with competition is increasingly uplifting the quality of India's overall look. No wonder the likes of Vivek are optimistic about the future.
In certain areas, the government has not taken enough care about the master plans. In Gurgaon, for example, I am practicing in Gurgaon. I can show you sites where a high-rise building, group housing is touching a low-rise plotted development, which is not a very good planning aspect. Otherwise, if I leave that aspect, if you go today to Singapore, you see the amount of high-rise and fantastic buildings. That in 2010 to 2020, you will find that kind of skyline in India. Now, the architects abroad are looking forward India as a prospective place for the new constructions. Especially if you see the regions like Bangalore, Gurgaon, Noida, all these regions are coming up with high-rise buildings and multiplexes, etc. And quite a number of architects who went from India and settled abroad are trying to coming back to India.
But with ability comes responsibility. Vivek is aware of that. Hence, he has visualized the factors that adversely affect the structure of Dream House and the lives of million citizens.
My vision of tomorrow is very straightforward, in which services are taken care of, we have beautiful roads and good architectural buildings. So my vision of tomorrow is for more professionalism, more and more personal ethics. Simple personal ethics can achieve us the great tomorrow.
India has a long tradition of architecture in the form of वास्तु. आज वास्तु के प्रति लोगों का रुझान काफी बड़ा है, लेकिन क्या विवेक जैसे मॉडर्न आर्किटेक्ट्स इसका इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं?
वास्तु को लेकर जो मेरा पर्सनल ओपिनियन है, मैं वास्तु में सिर्फ इतना ही मानता हूँ, अगर डिक्शनरी मीनिंग देखा जाए आर्किटेक्चर एंड वास्तु दे आर द सेम थिंग. वास्तु को अंग्रेज़ी में आर्किटेक्चर ही कहा जाता है और वास्तु मेनली जिस चीज़ के लिए एम्फेसिस देती है दैट इज़ गुड वेंटिलेशन एंड एनवायरनमेंट फ्रेंडली स्ट्रक्चर्स, जिसके अंदर लोकल एनवायरनमेंट के हिसाब से आप बिल्डिंग्स को डिज़ाइन करते हैं. आर्किटेक्चर इज़ ऑल्सो लाइक दैट. वी डिज़ाइन बिल्डिंग्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द सोलर मूवमेंट, द क्लाइमेटोलॉजी ऑफ दैट area, topography of that area. Vastu also explains that factor. Lekin some clients come with a particular view that they want entry from this side or that side. Being a professional, we have to keep their sentiments in their mind.
Even in his intense professional commitments, Vivek does not forget his social responsibilities. His mission reflects a deep sense of obligation towards the common man. He wants to sum up his life contributing to the society.
In most of my buildings, I try to take care of the earthquake factors to a great extent. I keep struggling with my clients to convince them these small details which are given by us in the drawings are very important. They need to be taken care of to give an environment or rather the building a safer structure. मेरा ड्रीम डिज़ाइन भी एक ऐसी इंस्टीट्यूशनल बिल्डिंग का है which is like a monument. It's like a sculpture which come out of the earth and stands there, and it becomes a part and parcel of the surroundings. It doesn't look like a building which is erected. It should look like earth has taken a mold to the surroundings. That kind of a building I wish to design, and again it has to be a public building.
Construction is in the heart of Vivek's existence. Even if he weren't an architect or interior designer, he would certainly be related to the construction industry in other ways.
आर्किटेक्ट नहीं होता तो कभी सोचा नहीं. इट्स वेरी इतने साल हो गए करते हुए तो अब ऐसा सोचने में भी थोड़ा मुश्किल लगता है. शायद सिविल इंजीनियर होता या मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर होता, लेकिन समहाउ इस फील्ड से रिलेटेड होता, बिकॉज बिल्डिंग वाज माय पैशन. तो कहीं ना कहीं से इसी फील्ड से रिलेटेड होता.
बहुत मुश्किल है किसी के सपनों को हकीकत में बदलना, और एक आर्किटेक्ट बदलता है उन सपनों को हकीकत में.
The awareness about requirement and design consciousness has improved a lot.